Going into year 12 and you're about to start A-level economics, there are three things that might help. Okay, so there are four themes or four units, and economics is split into micro and macro. Microeconomics is looking at individual markets, for example, fast food market or the smartphone market, whereas micro would be looking at the whole economy. Theme 1 and 3 is microeconomics, and theme 2 and 4 is macroeconomics. Usually, schools will teach themes 1 and 2 in year 12 and themes 3 and 4 in year 13, but it can be different. Okay, number 2, there are three papers. Paper 1 is focused on microeconomics, and you're looking at themes 1 and 3. Paper 2, you're looking at macroeconomics, themes 2 and 4. And paper 3 is going to assess the whole course, so it'll be themes 1 to 4. Each paper is 2 hours with 100 marks each. So papers 1 and 2, they have the same structure. There are three sections, A, B, and C. Section A, you're looking at multiple choice and short answer, for example, 2 marks and 4 marks. Section B, you are given some extracts, and you have to use those extracts to answer a 5, 8, 10, 12, and 15 mark question. And section C, you are given an option of 2 essay questions worth 25 marks each, and you have to pick one and answer that. There's no case study. So for section C, that's where you're bringing your own real life context. And that's why it becomes helpful to start watching the news. So if you're watching BBC, look out for Faizul Islam. If you're looking at ITV, then watch out for Joel Hill. They're the economics editors and they really explain the real life economics. So paper 3, the structure is a bit different, but it's not that different. You have 2 sections, both give you case studies, and they'll assess you on everything. Okay, so now that you're making the jump to A-level, what's the difference? It's not just about writing loads more. There's going to be some key skills that you really need to show. For example, a lot of the marks will look at your quantitative skills, so interpreting graphs and working out percentage changes, etc. Your use of diagrams will be quite important. A lot of the essay questions will require you to draw diagrams in your answers. Chains of reasoning, which you know a bit about already from GCSE, for example, your Peel paragraphs and your BLT sandwiches, etc. Obviously, with A-level, it's going to be developed further. Finally, context, I think, is very important. It really differentiates the top students from the rest. So really watching the news and bringing what's going on in the real world into your answers. So remember, 4 units or themes, 3 papers, 1 big skill, apply it.